can promise you now, this love that I feel for you always will be. For you're not just time that I'm killing, I'm no longer